Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Coinbase wire transfer information for sending and receiving funds in 2025. Let's get started. Open your Coinbase app or website and log into your account. Click on the hamburger menu in the top left corner, then select Account and Settings where your name appears. Choose Add Payment Method from the options available. Select Wire Transfer from the payment method choices. Coinbase will display your unique banking information, including your account number, routing number, and any special instructions for wire transfers. Save these details carefully. For receiving wires into Coinbase, you'll provide this information to your bank. For sending wires from Coinbase, you'll need your bank's wire transfer details. Always verify all account numbers before processing transfers. You can also find wire options under the Portfolio section by selecting Deposit or Withdraw and choosing Wire Transfer. Follow the prompts to complete your transaction. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when sending money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below. Thank you for watching.